The songwriting was one of the amazing part of the event that I got involved in. And what we wanted to do, we didn't want to write any other peace song like all the other songs that were released during the crisis that happened. What we wanted to do was to anchor the song into our personal experiences and make the song personal. When you listen to my part, I said, "Mama Manaokoroida." It's like, "Mama, where will I run to?" So we put in all those stories, and everyone that wrote a verse, they try to put in what they went through to make sure that people can relate to, and also share what is really happening in the hearts of the people and what people are really going through. So that is what we went through during the songwriting process.
We won, our dreams are gone.